Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you get to messed up like always. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute little Valentine's Day look, okay? See? Cute. But I really hope you guys like this video, so let's get into it. Hi guys. So, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I thought I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day look. Even though I don't got a freaking Valentine, nobody likes my ugly self. I look like a toe, but whatever. Whatever. I'm gonna do my makeup. I ran into a laundry basket. This looks like it's supposed to be like a little curled up, but didn't work. So I just put it behind my ear. And this piece is longer than this piece. I was gonna cut it, but what the but I didn't. I'm just gonna put this back behind my ears, because why not? Do one piece like this, but what the fuck am I gonna do with this piece? I only got one clip. Do I look stupid? Maybe a little bit. Holding up my bangs? Kind of. My sister was getting into my makeup while she was here, and that little motherfucker don't put nothing back. She lost my eyebrow stuff, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And for that, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in the shade light brown, even though this is not the shade I need to be using. I never usually do my eyebrows on camera, but like, I never do it because it takes me so long. And I'm squinting because I can't see. Okay, now I'm going to conceal my brows because that's done. And I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick and Porcelain and my concealer brush. I feel like I already messed up, but that's like a repetitive process for me. I mess up and then I have to fix it, and then I mess up and then I have to fix it, you know? It's all get perfect. Perfect. And now I am going to gel my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Eyebrow Gel. Damn, this thing's trying to fight with me to open. Okay. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and Natural Ivory. I low-key want to watch Scooby-Doo right now instead of doing this, but whatever. I've been like, you know, really on my YouTube stuff. I've been posting every week consistently, every Sunday. I want to do twice a week, which I'm probably going to start doing twice a week, hopefully. I'm going to start trying to post every Thursday and Sunday, okay? So turn on those post notifications, because if you want to watch my videos. I'm going to use this, what is this called? This Morphe X, what is this? James Charles palette? I know what this is. I'm just like, not all there today, you know? But I'm never really there, but whatever. I'm gonna be using this. I started cutting the little names off and like taping them. I don't know if you guys can see on the thing, but I never finished. I did like, not even half. I'm gonna be using the shade Skip, this bright pink shade right here. Yep, and I'm gonna put that all in my crease. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Pinkity Drinkity. I'm gonna blend out that pink. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of Skip to, you know, bring back a little bit of that color. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Love That and deepen that up. And now I'm gonna blend that out with the clean brush. And to deepen that up even more, I'm gonna go in with the shade Escape. And now I'm going to blend that in with that same brush I used before. Okay, I'm done blending that. Don't judge me. And now I'm gonna take that Maybelline foundation again because I'm gonna use that to cut my crease kind of. I'm not really gonna cut my crease, but like it's complicated. Kind of want to draw a heart on my crease. Okay, that makes sense? That should make sense. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora, got it, highlighter palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Lyra and I'm gonna set those hearts. Okay, I'm gonna put that Love That shade on the rest of my lid space. And now I'm going to do a liner, but I'm gonna go in with that Maybelline, that Maybelline foundation again. Last time I tried to do this, it came out like it sucked, but hopefully this one comes out good. We'll see. I'm gonna put that neon pink on. I'm gonna use these, this neon pink right here. I got this stack off of AliExpress. And now I'm gonna go get a makeup wipe. And now I'm gonna go in with glitter. I'm gonna go in the Steppin Beauty Glitter Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna use this light pink shade right here and put it on that heart. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of this light pink loose glitter on top of that. For mascara, I'm going to be using this Katy Perry CoverGirl mascara in the shade Berry Black. I'm not even going to prime my face because I just don't feel like it. And again, I'm going to go in with that Maybelline Superstay Foundation and Natural Ivory. And I'm going to mix that with some City Color Glowing Complexion Illuminating Cream. Mix that into my foundation. Now I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. To set my under eye, I'm going to be using this WetnWild contour palette. I'm going to use this light shade right here. And now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild contour palette again and use this shade right here. And now we're gonna go to blush. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild solar powered color icon blush and glow trio. This thing is probably not even sold anymore, so yeah, it's really old. And I'm gonna use this pink shade right here. Now it is time for highlighter. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighter. I have to do my lower lash too. First, I'm gonna go in with that shade Skip and run that out on my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna go in with that shade Escape and deepen that up on my lower lash line. I thought this looked like but this actually looks really good right now. And now I'm gonna highlight my inner corner, my brow bone with that same highlighter. And now I'm gonna go in with this Lustre Cream Eyeshadow by Ciate. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone to make it pop more. I'm trying to find my white eyeliner and I can't find it. Found it! Now I'm gonna use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and run that on my waterline. And now I'm going to do my lower lash mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to be using this Clean Color Pro Sealer Setting Spray. Now I'm going to put on my eyelashes, and I'm using these Steppin Beauty Sasha eyelashes. Done. I have lips and I'm done. I'm going to be using my Italia Deluxe lip liner in the shade Chocolate. And now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Matte Ink Luka lipstick in the shade Seductress. I can't pronounce it. Seductress. Yeah, I think I said that right. And I'm gonna mix in this Ruby Kisses liquid lipstick in the shade Angel Wings. Makeup look is done. I could take this off. Trying to fix my bangs, guys. It's not necessarily working. Okay, don't mind my bangs. They look like right now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell so you be notified every time I post a video. Okay, I'm posting every Sunday. I'm gonna try to post every Thursday and Sunday, but I'm at least posting every Sunday, okay? Comment down below any suggestions you guys have for another video. Follow me on all my social medias. They'll be in the description below. I love you guys. Bye.